These guys are deploying cutting edge to do some disaster response. We're going down right to the eye of the storm to Tampa, Orlando, that area. We work with some partners down there, some tree services that need the equipment, the manpower, and whatnot. So we're heading down ahead of the storm. We're loading up these big cranes to basically lift trees off houses.
What do you think, Nate? Tired?
Tired.
Yeah.
There's going to be a lot of people in need. They're obviously evacuating a lot of areas, so we're just going to, be a helping hand when we're down there, working directly for residences.
This is Category 5. This is going to be absolute insanity. I actually can't really fully grasp the reality of it. I have to see it to believe it. Going down into this hurricane, this will probably be part of history.